Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Reks Creations Kannada Kalike with Rekha Ainapur. Let's do the Kannada Varnamaale reading practice today. Kannada alphabets, that is Varnamaale, is divided into three parts. There are total 49 alphabets in the Kannada Varnamaale. They are Swaraгаlu are 13 letters. Yogavahagalu are 2 letters. And the Vyanjanagalu are 34 letters. Now let's start with the Swaraгаlu. Swaraгаlu, the letters which can be pronounced independently. The letters which can be pronounced independently are called Swaraгаlu. So let's see which letters are the Swaraгаlu and Yogavahagalu. A, A, I, E, U, U, Ru, A, I, O, O, Au. From A to Au, they are called Swaraгаlu. And next two letters are Yogavahagalu. That is and Aha. Okay. Now let's repeat the Swaraгаlu and Yogavahagalu again. A, 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 I, E, E, U, 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 Ru, A, I, O, O, Au, Aha, Aha. Okay, these are the Swaraгаlu. Now let's move to the Vyanjanagalu. There are 34 letters in the Vyanjanagalu. The letters which are pronounced with the help of Swaraгаlu are called Vyanjanagalu. Vyanjanagalu is divided into Vargiya Vyanjanagalu and Avargiya Vyanjanagalu. There are total 34 letters in the Vyanjanagalu. First one, Vargiya Vyanjanagalu, which can be formed as groups. Let's see. Ka Varga, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. As we can form similar groups, that is Ka and Kha come in the same type of pronunciation. That's why they are called as Vargiya Vyanjanagalu. Next is Cha Varga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ya. Ta Varga, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Ta Varga, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Pa Varga, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Next, Avargiya Vyanjanagalu. These are called Avargiya because we cannot form any groups over here. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sh, Sha, Sa, Ha, La. Now let's read all these letters in details. First is Ka Varga. That is Ka, K, 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 G, 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 Ng, Ng. Okay, once again. K, K, G, G, Ng. Okay, next. Ch varga. In Ch varga, Ch, 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 J, Jh, J, Jh, Nya. One more time. Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Nya. Now let's move to the T varga. That is T, Th, D, Dh, T, Th, D, Dh, N. One more time. T, Th, D, Dh, N. Now let's move to the next. That is T varga. T, Th, T, Th, D, Dh, D, Dh, N. One more time. T, Th, D, Dh, N. Now let's move to the P varga. P, Ph, P, Ph, B, Bh, M. One more time. P, Ph, B, Bh, M. Now let's move to the Avargiya Vyanjanagalu. Last part. We have 9 letters in the Avargiya Vyanjanagalu. They are Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, L. Let's read one more time. Let's repeat again. Avargiya Vyanjanagalu. That is Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, L. Now let's repeat all the letters together in our next slide. Now let's revise all the alphabets, that is Varnamala, together. Let's start. A, A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha, K, G, Gh, Ng, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Nya, T, Th, D, Dh, N, T, Th, D, Dh, N, P, Ph, B, Bh, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, L. This is the end of the today's session. So I have made a playlist for all the different types of videos. that is learn Kannada daily in 1 minute, short videos, learn basic Kannada in 10 days, learn to speak some Kannada words through English, and learn to read and understand small Kannada paragraphs, learn to write Kannada letters or alphabets, learn to speak Kannada through English sentences, learn to read Kannada words, and learn Kannada grammar. And I have also given the Kannada dictation, which is very helpful to practice. So please find all the above links in the description. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, Reks Creations Kannada Kalike. Please like my Facebook page, Kannada Kalike with Rekha, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Reks Creations. Please find all the above links in the description. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Dhanyavadalu. Please like and share my channel, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.